Invoking the name of Almighty God, this dagger is not a worldly authority, but rather relies on tradition, good deeds, and an honest heart. It is not diminished in self-respect, not intended to humiliate others, and not to demean oneself. This dagger is a reminder of courage, abstinence from evil, and a witness before the one God. The badik embodies three elements: honesty, courage, and self-respect. If honesty is maintained, dignity will not diminish. If self-respect serves as a reminder, the badik becomes noble in good deeds. This badik is based on tradition, and it should not be used for evil.